Want to drop pounds quickly? These scientifically supported tips can aid in your sustainable weight loss. Most experts agree that losing 1 to 2 pounds per week is a safe weight loss goal for most people. Cutting carbs, eating more protein, doing weight training, and sleeping more are all strategies that can support long-term weight loss. If your doctor suggests it, there are ways to lose weight safely even though it is not always the best solution for health issues. For the best long-term weight management, it is advised to lose 1 to 2 pounds consistently per week. Having said that, many diets intended to aid in weight loss are unsustainable and can leave you feeling hungry or unsatisfied or cut out important food groups. These are the main factors that may make it difficult for you to maintain a healthier eating regimen. Everyone has various demands, therefore you might respond better to certain dietary habits and advice than someone else. There are some fundamental guidelines that apply anytime you're attempting to lose weight, regardless of whether you find success with a low-carb diet or a diet that prioritizes whole foods. Here are several weight loss strategies supported by science, including advice on choosing carbs wisely and a balanced diet, with the following goals. Decrease your hunger and desire while keeping you full led to sustained weight loss over time. Assist in enhancing your metabolic health concurrently. Some of these suggestions may be useful if you want to lose weight rapidly, but rapid weight loss is rarely long-lasting. It will help you improve your health and increase the likelihood that you will lose weight permanently if you concentrate on long-term health and behaviors you can maintain. 1. Reducing refined carbs. Reducing your intake of carbs, such as sweets and starches, can help you lose weight quickly. This could be accomplished by following a low-carb diet or by consuming less processed carbohydrates and more whole grains. By doing that, your appetite decreases and you typically consume fewer calories. One trusted source. With a low-carb diet, you'll use your body's fat reserves as energy instead of carbohydrates. You'll benefit from increased fiber and slower digestion if you decide to eat more complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, coupled with a calorie deficit. They become more filled as a result, satisfying you longer. 2. Consume vegetables, fat, and protein. At every meal, try to include a variety of foods. Your meals should contain the following to assist you lose weight and balance your plate. A source of protein, fat, and veggies. A little complex carbohydrate food, such whole grains. 3. Make body motions. While it's not necessary to exercise in order to lose weight, it can speed up the process. Weightlifting in particular has many advantages. Lifting weights will help you burn calories and avoid the frequent side effect of weight loss, which is a slowing down of your metabolism. Aim for 3 to 4 times a week of strength training. A trainer might be able to assist you in getting started if you've never lifted weights before. Make sure any new fitness regimens are communicated to your doctor as well. Cardio exercises like walking, jogging, running, cycling, or swimming are excellent for weight loss and general health if lifting weights is not an option for you. In order to get closer to your beach body from home, just click on the link below the video. Please like and subscribe our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.